So here's how to earn money via TikTok affiliate program. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. All you need to have a strong TikTok profile with high engagement. To create strong following base on the TikTok, you must post regular content that align with your audience. To create engaging content, you can use a free platform that is Canva. Canva offers a wide range of templates that you can use to create high engaging content for various social media platforms. All you need to do is you have to search for your desired template, and here I'm gonna type in TikTok video. After that, from the given results, you can select any desired video. Just remember that you select the video that align with your audience. Here you can edit your video, or if you don't want to edit it, you can simply download it as it is. If you want to add any background music on it, you can simply add it by clicking on the plus icon and then click on the audio. And if you want to delete the text and insert your own, you can simply click on the text and can delete it. Once you all done, now you can simply download it by clicking on the download button. And once you have downloaded the video, now you have to go to your TikTok account to upload the video. Here to upload the video, click on the upload, and once you click on it, now it will take you to your mobile's gallery, and here you have to select your desired video that you want to upload, or that video you downloaded recently, and click on it and then click on the next to post it. After that, here in the description part, you can simply add a description and encourage your followers to click on your affiliate links. You can simply copy and paste your affiliate links, whether it's of Amazon or any other platform, on video description, or you can add your affiliate link into your bio and encourage your followers to click on the link in your bio. Once they buy any product by clicking on your link, you will get a commission. So that's how affiliate marketing works. Whenever you recommend any product on your social platforms and someone buys through the link, you will get a commission. So that's how to earn money via TikTok affiliate marketing.